In this video, I will show you how to import SMS and WhatsApp contacts. To import SMS and WhatsApp contact, go to the contact section, then click on Import. Right here, you need to select the file you want to import. Select a CSV file that is in this format. Click here to set the source. Select phone if you are importing SMS contact, and select WhatsApp phone number if you are importing WhatsApp contacts. Add the country code of the contacts, and map the information right here properly. Down here you can perform additional actions like tag the contacts or set custom field. Once done, click on Continue and your contacts will be imported. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.